Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm basically posting my own example for the student programming exercise number 3, where we are supposed to basically play around with blinking LEDs for open and for shut as we control the door. I noticed that a few other people have posted their own program for number 1 and number 2, but I did not see a video on YouTube posted for this one yet, so I thought about posting my own. Basically, I use a lot of um, latches, which are not, which is kind of frowned upon, uh, PLC programming. But as I am a beginner myself, this was the only easier way for me to do it, so this is the way I did it. So let's go ahead. This is basically the program that you're looking at. I have unlatch and latch reversed as I switch from open to close. Um, I have rung number 3 is the important one, where I basically alternate between um, blinking ajar LED when the door is not fully opened or closed, or keeping it on if it's fully opened or fully closed. Actually, turning it off. I'm sorry, turning it off when it's fully open and fully closed. So let's go ahead and download it and actually see it conform to the specs that we are required to. So I'm going to go ahead and download it, and I will run it. Online, run. So now basically I'm looking at as it's supposed to be. Right now the AJAR LED is blinking. This is because the door is not either opened or closed fully. And I'm doing that in rung number 3. Basically I have the PLC timer, if you can see it through here, bit S4 7 I use for this, since it's we are required to make it 1/4 as fast as the LEDs when the door is opening or shutting down. We will get to this later, but basically you see it blinking not too fast. So let's go ahead and play with this. Um, right now I want to go ahead and close it. As you can see, the shut is blinking, and now it's solid. Um, this is energized um, in this run. Basically, I'm looking at the status of the lower limit switch, and I'm also looking at the latch for my motor down, which is right now it's actually energized. The unlatch for the motor down is energized. That's how it gives me a solid shut. So if I go ahead and open it, uh, we'll see we both conform to the AJAR being solid when the door is opening, and the open LED is blinking. That's in run number 5. I'm basically looking at the motor up. Let's slow it down a little bit. The motor up, and I have another timer here. Same concept. So I'm gonna let it go through all the way at the end. And if I stop it, I will still see the AJAR blinking, but not solid as when the door is in movement. So if we go all the way up, we have a solid open as it's supposed to be. This is because the motor up has been unlatched, and the upper relay is not activated. So this one is active. That's how I get that. And this is basically it. We can run it a few times. We can see it blinking, and then you can go the other way, the open is blinking, and if I stop it, you'll see that the AJAR is still uh, 1/4 as fast as the open or the shut. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate to post them up. Or if somebody has a different idea how to do this, this was my program. Thanks for watching.